Your conversation with an AI feels real because it is designed to feel real. It answers questions, explains ideas, writes stories, and can even respond in a way that feels thoughtful. But there is a problem most people never stop to think about. It does not understand anything you are saying. My name is Big Frank, and today we're breaking down what is actually happening when you talk to modern AI, not the hype version, the real system underneath. If you enjoy seeing how technology actually works behind the scenes, subscribe to Big Frank Tech. Now, let's get into it. Most people think AI is like a digital brain. You ask a question, it understands it, thinks about it, then responds. That is not what is happening. When you type a message, the AI does not see meaning, it sees patterns in language. Huge statistical patterns learned from massive amounts of text, like books, articles, websites, and conversations, all broken down into structure, not ideas. Before anything gets processed, your sentence is broken into small pieces called tokens. To you, a sentence is a thought. To the AI, it is a sequence of numbers. When you ask something like, "Why is the sky blue?" there is no sky inside the system, no image of sunlight, no understanding of physics in the human sense, just tokens being analyzed for what is most likely to come next. The entire job of the AI is prediction. It calculates what word should come next based on everything it has seen before, then repeats that process again and again, thousands of times for a single response. That is how the answer is built, not from understanding, but from probability.
So, how does it sound so smart? Because the scale is enormous. The model has seen patterns between concepts across billions of examples. It has learned that certain ideas tend to appear together, like earth and gravity, fire and heat, money and banking, language and meaning. Over time, this creates the illusion that it understands relationships, but it is still doing the same thing, predicting the next token. This is also why AI sometimes gets things wrong with complete confidence. People assume computers are always precise, but AI is not a calculator. It does not verify facts. It does not check truth. It generates the most likely continuation of a sentence. Sometimes that matches reality. Sometimes it does not. When it does not, it produces what engineers call hallucinations, fake facts, incorrect explanations, or completely made-up sources, not because it is lying, but because it has no awareness of truth in the first place. Behind all of this is one of the largest computing systems ever built. Massive data centers filled with specialized chips, constantly running billions of calculations every second, with cooling systems working non-stop to keep everything from overheating. All of this just to do one thing: predict the next token. So when you talk to AI, you are not talking to something that understands you. You are interacting with a system that has learned the structure of human language so well that it can imitate understanding. That imitation is powerful enough to feel real, but underneath it all, there is no awareness, no meaning, no thought, just mathematics producing language one piece at a time. And that's the illusion. If you found this interesting, subscribe to Big Frank Tech. We break down the hidden systems behind the technology you use every day.